Quick sound test from the back rooms of this Nissho KB106DE with topre switches, which I happen to be proxying for Innozens. Thank you again, Innozens. I hope you've enjoyed.